2026 Honda CR-V Hybrid. This SUV offers space as well as power and performance. It's full of phenomenal features that any driver would appreciate, such as cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.